Hello everyone, here in this practice we are going to learn what is the difference between single ampersand and double ampersand when you define your substitution variable. Let's assume that we run this select statement, select for example last underscore name, higher underscore date, ampersand call from table employees, where for example ampersand call equal 24,000 order by ampersand call. So here in our select statement, we are using the substitution variable call 3 times through our select statement, 3 times as we can see. If you run the select statement, Oracle will ask you 3 times for the value of call variable. Let's assume that you enter here, for example, department underscore ID, click OK. So as we can see here, Oracle asks you again to enter a value for the variable call. Let's assume that we put here salary. And again Oracle asks you to enter a value for the variable call. Let's assume that we put here for example last underscore name and click OK. So our select statement will be select last name higher date. At the first time you put department ID, so here will be department ID from table employees, where we put at the second time salary, where salary equal 24,000 order by, and the last thing we put last underscore name. So Oracle will use the first value you enter for call here, the second value you enter will be used here, and the third value you enter will be also used here. If you run the select statement again, Oracle will again ask you 3 times for the value of the variable call. For example, here we put salary, here for example we can put salary, and for the third time for example we can put here employee underscore ID. So this is the output after running our select statement. Each time you run the select statement, Oracle will ask you 3 times for the value of the variable call. If you replace the first occurrence of the variable here, instead of single ampersand you put double ampersand and you run the select statement, in this case Oracle will ask you just 1 time for the variable call. If we put for example here salary, so as we can see Oracle asks you just 1 time to enter a value for the variable call, and this value will be used for all occurrences. The value you enter will be used here, here, and also here. If you try to run the select statement again, as we said before, Oracle will not prompt you to enter a value for the variable. The value you entered in the first run will be used again and again if you run the select statement. So as we can see, if you try to run the select statement, Oracle will not prompt you to enter a value for the variable. The value you enter in the first run will be used for each run. So this is the difference between single ampersand and double ampersand when you define the substitution variable. I hope this video was informative for you, and thank you for watching.